Let's create one of our own custom configured criteria. Go to the Configure menu and select Manage Criteria. We're going to select a new criteria and give it an original name. We're going to talk about outline level sufficiency, and we're going to use a pre-configured filter that I made in another video. Another thing we need to do here is to enter a brief description. It's optional. I just copied and pasted something from Word that describes what we're going to do here. And then we will select some criteria categories to associate with this particular new criteria, so it's going to show up in statistical as well as data quality. Now we're going to talk about scoring. We can do this from the MPT Global filter or the SteelRay library, or we can create our own using a custom filter in SteelRay. And that's the one that I created in another video before. It's the outline level 3 or greater. Now we're going to score this thing. It seems to be kind of interesting to use a red, amber, green chart. We're going to arbitrarily pick 60 to 80% as a stoplight chart for this particular test. And the prerequisites. We don't want to have too many summary tasks and not enough. We just want to test those that are just right, if you will. So we're going to see that the previous test summary tasks are already scored as green. Then we'll use our new criteria. And now what we can do is add some information to use for the coach. And I'm just putting some information here about what the test is and how the formula is created that I use to calculate it, and what we might be able to do next if the test turns up red. Overall, for scoring, we can put a weighting in here. I'm not going to do anything. And we can also allow for a justification code. In the remainder of another video, we'll talk about actually using this criteria in a new report.